কলকাতা এবং বিহারে ছাত্র আন্দোলনে গ্রেপ্তার হওয়া পড়ুয়াদের দ্রুত জামিনে মুক্ত করার আবেদন জানালেন তৃণমূল সাংসদ মহুয়া মৈত্র।
We have no idea. I don't think the government is in a position to tell us anything right now. I think what we have seen is the only step one. We have seen the resignation of Dharmendra Pradhan, delayed as it were. What is most important now is accountability from the Home Ministry. You cannot have, in the largest democracy in the world, children, our children, innocent, vulnerable, peaceful protesters being dragged on the street, projectile action guns, pellet guns, and electric weapons being used on the children, and no accountability. We have seen in Bihar yesterday and in Bengal that full-page ads have been taken out identifying children. In Bengal, over 70 protesters were picked up. And part of this demonstration was very clearly that all FIRs against the protesters have to be withdrawn, and most important, who is responsible for the brutality? Both the CRPF and the Delhi police report to one man, that is Amit Shah. So either Amit Shah gave the orders, in which case he must answer, and B, if he is the minister and he didn't give the orders, then also he must answer. We have seen that the CRPF RAF IG, the first woman IG, has herself admitted that excessive use of force and out of protocol systems were taken up on that day. And an investigation has shown over 7 rounds of PAGs were used, pellet guns were used. The Delhi police and the central government has laid siege to every hospital. We are not even being allowed to meet with the injured protesters or talk to the families. Amit Shah has to come and answer for the brutality. That is the only demand of the opposition today. They have to come to answer and be accountable for the brutality. We are not interested in what the government has to say. We are not interested in any deal making, any compromise. This is the most important, that he must answer for the brutality.